我叫鄭嘉怡，係喺2014年確診患咗呢個血癌。當我知道嗰陣時咧，就已經係第3期嘅淋巴癌。諗翻起同癌症搏鬥嘅日子，呢個經歷令我記得有個電視廣告曾經咁講過：生命冇 take two， 即係話人生只係得一次機會。但我嘅經歷令我十分之唔贊成呢句說話。癌症完全改變咗我嘅人生。工作辛苦咗咁多年，我以為終於可以享受呢個成果，但係估唔到會突然間得到呢個病。喺香港經歷過幾次復發同埋治療失敗之後，醫生建議我考慮去美國試下做最新嘅 CAR-T 治療。透過微信，我直接聯絡到美國一間叫希望之城嘅癌症專科醫院。估唔到佢哋只係用咗1個禮拜嘅時間就確定接受我呢個 case。當時我心情都好緊張，但係呢個係我唯一嘅希望，所以憑住呢個信念，我決定飛去美國。
One of the reasons why you need to come to City of Hope if you have a diagnosis of cancer is that you're going to get the best diagnosis, the best treatment from the best doctors in your specific cancer, and you're going to get the best outcome.
City of Hope is located in a beautiful area of Los Angeles with spectacular gardens and mountains and a wonderful healing environment.
當我一踏足希望之城，成個人都覺得好安心同埋放心。喺上飛機之前，希望之城嘅國際服務團隊就已經幫我安排晒見醫生啦，同埋做檢查。之後喺做治療同埋康復期間，佢哋一直都好用心咁去照顧我。呢度嘅職員、醫生同埋護士個個都好親切，時時都面帶笑容。最特別嘅呢，就係我嘅主診醫生，佢都識得講流利中文，消除晒我喺溝通方面嘅擔心。
如果不用的話，那 Cresemba 也不用了，所以2個藥都可以停。
都可以停。
所以我們停了可以觀察一下，觀察一下大概看看。
We offer in-language navigation, and that's something that actually starts before the patient comes here. They can converse long distance with somebody who speaks their language and can inform them about what to expect, and then greet them when they arrive and accompany them all throughout their journey here at City of Hope.
如果您在中国是一位肿瘤患者，希望您考虑到希望之城来治疗。我们有很多的医生、护工、护士以及其他人员会讲中文，能够为您提供更加贴心和省心的服务。
It's important to understand that City of Hope is not only a cancer hospital. There's an army of researchers working day in and day out on every single type of cancer. We have the ability to take those ideas, those discoveries in the laboratory, and bring them right to the clinic. And we do it quickly. We do it with great speed because we understand the urgency that this kind of care, curative care, is needed for our cancer patients.
因为希望之城有很多科研工作者和医生，给病人提供很多的临床试验。这些临床试验呢，不光是传统的药物的结合，更加是包括很多免疫治療、靶向治療以及個人化的更新的臨床治療。
喺休養期間，我覺得真係好開心。南加州嘅天氣真係好好，日日陽光普照，令到我心情都好輕鬆。呢度中國人嘅社區樣樣都有，令到我冇咁覺得離鄉別井。喺我正式做 CAR-T 治療之後嘅第28日，我去照正電子掃描，就跟住返屋企等結果。之後發生嘅事，我永遠都唔會忘記。當時我曬緊太陽，我嘅主診醫生 Dr. Buddy 突然間打電話俾我，佢第一句就同我講 ：Carrie， 恭喜你啊！你嘅癌細胞已經完全消失晒啦！哇！嗰一刻我真係唔可以相信，真係好開心，好開心，直情開心到喊。我衷心多謝希望之城嘅每一位咁努力去照顧我同埋醫我，亦都好感激希望之城俾我一個重新嘅機會，令到我嘅生命有 take two。